A sleeping giant awakens. Introducing Mount Pinatubo. The island of Luzon in the Philippines is home to many volcanoes. One of these volcanoes is Mount Pinatubo. It is a large volcano, a stratovolcano formed over thousands of years. Before 1991, it appeared unremarkable. Its slopes covered in lush vegetation. Local Aita tribespeople lived on its slopes, unaware of its fiery potential. For centuries, Mount Pinatubo had slumbered. Then, in early 1991, the giant began to stir. Small earthquakes were felt. Steam vents opened up, releasing plumes of sulfurous gas. These were the first signs that deep beneath the earth, magma was rising. Whispers of fury precursors to the 1991 eruption. As weeks passed, the activity at Mount Pinatubo intensified. The earthquakes grew stronger, shaking the ground and unsettling the local population. The steam vents roared with greater ferocity. Scientists from the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, or PHIVOLCAS, closely monitored the volcano, their instruments recording the mountain's every tremor and belch. The Philippine government, alerted to the potential danger, ordered the evacuation of tens of thousands of people living near the volcano. It was a decision that would ultimately save countless lives. The stage was set for one of the most powerful volcanic eruptions of the 20th century. The day the sky turned grey. The cataclysmic 1991 eruption. On June 15, 1991, Mount Pinatubo erupted with cataclysmic force. The eruption lasted for hours. Millions of tons of ash and rock were blasted into the atmosphere, reaching heights of over 20 miles. Pyroclastic flows, deadly avalanches of hot gas and volcanic debris raced down the volcano's slopes, incinerating everything in their path. The ash cloud from the eruption spread across Southeast Asia, blocking out the sun and plunging the region into darkness. The fine ash fell like snow, blanketing towns and cities and disrupting air travel. The eruption of Mount Pinatubo was a stark reminder of the awesome power of nature. Scars on the Earth, lessons for humanity. The aftermath and legacy of Pinatubo. The eruption of Mount Pinatubo had a devastating impact on the region. Hundreds of thousands of people were displaced from their homes. Farmland was buried under ash, causing widespread crop failure. The eruption also had a significant impact on the global climate, releasing millions of tons of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. This gas, combined with water vapor, formed tiny droplets of sulfuric acid that reflected sunlight back into space. As a result, global temperatures dropped by about 0.5 degrees Celsius over the following year. The eruption of Mount Pinatubo was a tragedy for those who lost their lives or livelihoods. However, it also provided scientists with an unprecedented opportunity to study the dynamics of volcanic eruptions and their impact on the environment. The data gathered from Mount Pinatubo has helped improve volcanic monitoring and early warning systems, potentially saving lives in future eruptions. The eruption also highlighted the importance of international cooperation in the face of natural disasters.